How to share your Temu account wishlist with your friends. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your account. From here, move into any of the item that you want to add it to the wishlist. So let me head over to this one. Tap on the item once again. Now at the top you'll find this option, tap on it. Select the size or the color for your item and then tap on add to wishlist at the bottom. Once it has been added to the wishlist, go back to your feed and then tap on you at the bottom. Head over to wishlist. In this page it will show you all the list of the items that you have added on wishlist. Tap on any one of the item from here. Let's say you want to share this wishlist. At the top right corner you'll find the option of share, tap on it. Different social media will be available to you. Tap on any of the social media that you want to share. Let me tap on Messenger. Now right here tap on send to the person that you want to share your wishlist. Let me send to this person, tap on send. There you go, your wishlist has been successfully shared to your friend. Likewise, you can share more of your wishlist to your friends on Temu and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it in the end.